and New Juaben Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School is represented by
Benis Chinua final year.
Janet Ofelsa in final year.
You're welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Wonderful. You are a seeded school. What did your seniors tell you about what happened last year?
Okay, actually last year we were also seeded, and in the 1/8 they met Bogatanga Senior High School, then Mfantsiman, and they won. And in the quarterfinals, unfortunately for them, they met St. Thomas Aquinas and they lost. But this year, we are here to proceed the work they started.
All right. That's excellent. You're going all the way. All right. That's good to know. Okay, so on that journey, what shall we expect for today's contest?
God is our strength, and we are victorious.
All right. Best wishes to you. New Juaben Senior High School. New Juaben Senior High School is represented by
Oguni Isaac Femi, final year.
Mr. Justin, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
How are you?
We are doing
fine.
excellent.
Good to know. You are coming to us from the preliminary stage of competition.
Yes, madam.
What happened there?
Okay, we met with Notre Dame Girls Senior High School. And then, unfortunately, they beat us, but we still made it through the 18 highest scoring losing schools.
All right.
Yes, madam.
Okay, that's good news. Okay, but let's find out a bit more. What has been your history at the National Science and Math Quiz? Have you been coming?
Yes, madam. For the past 4 years, we've been coming.
Yes, and you've been improving steadily, or things have been back and forth like a simple pendulum?
Madam, I can't comment on that one. It's
All right, what shall we expect today?
excellence.
Excellent, just excellent. All right, I'll look forward to that. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Akwamuman Senior High School. Akwamuman Senior High School is represented by
Bruni Abdul Razak.
Ruben Addo, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
And how are you doing?
You are doing
Great.
great.
Okay, I understand you are coming from the preliminary stage with some very, very high scores.
Yes, madam.
That's true.
Yes, madam.
Okay, tell me what happened, the contest.
Madam, it was through hard work, and then by our coordinators, they gave us the morale and the vim.
Morale and vim. I can tell that the morale and vim is still out there.
Yes.
All right, just a little bit about your school, then we'll move on to what is going to happen today.
Akwamuman, located in the eastern region of Ghana, Asijaman district in Akusumbu. We've been to the Science and Math Quiz 6 consecutive times, non-stop, and this is our 6th time we are coming. I hope this year we are hoping for the best. And then we have a simple message, that you never know how strong you are until being strong is the only way to survive.
right. You seem very purposeful. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, madam.
But you may have to slow down a little bit because it's hard for me. When you are giving your answers, slow down so that I can hear you well. Viewers, we've met our contestants. Everyone is here to win. For now, we can't tell, but we are going to start. Some are already operating at the speed of light. Before I sit down, I would like to remind you that the National Science and Math Quiz is produced by Primetime. We are sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We also have support from TIGO, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. Thank you, sponsors. My name is Dr. Elsie Efa Kaufman. I am a senior lecturer in the Department of Biomedical Engineering, University of Ghana, and I'm your quiz mistress. Contestants, this contest comes to you in 5 rounds. The first round is a round for fundamental concepts. You'll get simple, direct questions that demand simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. A correct answer at that point fetches a bonus point. If the answer is incorrect, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds in which to provide your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to do so. All of the questions, without exception, are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with Akwamuman. Your question. Give the systematic names of the compounds that will be obtained by acid hydrolysis of phenyl methyl benzoate. Go ahead.
You get methyl benzoic acid and benzene.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Which of you? Yes, Femi.
Madam, we have benzoic acid and phenyl methanol.
You are right. Your major question. Name the ester that will be formed when hexanoic acid and pentanol are reacted together. Femi. Go ahead.
Madam, please, the answer is pentahexanoate.
Yes. What took you so long? Mfantsiman girls. Give an example of a disaccharide apart from sucrose. Only one. Yes, Setre.
Lactose.
Yes. For the next set, you have 30 seconds for each and a short preamble to all schools. Find Y in terms of X, given that that's a preamble. So, Akwamuman, dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 4x, and y is equal to 3 for x is equal to 1. Ruben.
Y is equal to s cubed minus 2x.
That's incorrect. Yes, Justin.
Y equals s cubed minus 2s squared plus 4.
Yes. Your major question with the same preamble. Dy dx is equal to 1 over x squared plus 1. And y is equal to 0 for x equal to 1. Yes, Justin.
Y equals negative 1 over S plus S.
Yes. With the same preamble, dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 1 over x squared, and y is equal to 4 for x is equal to 1. Yes, Kumiwa.
Y is equal to x cubed plus 1 over x plus 2.
You're right. Next set, you have 10 seconds. Preamble to all schools. Preamble to all schools. When I get to your school, I will give you a disaccharide. A disaccharide, okay? Now, this is the preamble. Monosaccharides come together to form disaccharides and water. Name the monosaccharides that form the disaccharide I give you. Got it? All right, good. So, Akwamuman, lactose. Yes, Razak.
Madam, we have galactose and then sucrose. Galactose and glucose. Galactose and glucose.
Yes. Please, Razak, slow down to Newtonian speeds so that I can understand what you are saying. Okay. With the same preamble, New Juaben, maltose. Yes, Femi.
And glucose and glucose.
Yes. Mfantsiman girls, sucrose. Yes, Setre.
Glucose and fructose.
Yes. For the next set, 10 seconds, and I have a preamble. Preamble to all schools. Consider the following units: Fahrenheit, kilogram force, bar, pound per square inch, millimeter of mercury. Did you get the preamble? Again. Consider the following units: Fahrenheit, kilogram force, bar, pound per square inch, millimeter of mercury. That's the preamble. Now, Akwamuman, which of the units is an SI unit? Yes, Ruben?
Kilogram force.
That's incorrect for bonus. Yes, I heard you the first time. Go ahead for me.
Madam, none of them.
Yeah. Now your major question with the same preamble. Which of the units are used for the same physical quantity? Femi?
Madam, we have the bar and millimeters mercury.
2 out of 3. There's also the pound per square inch, otherwise known as PSI, right? Okay. Mfantsiman, with the same preamble, give the SI equivalent of each unit. Yes, Kumiwa.
Please, for the Fahrenheit, it's Kelvin. And then for the bar, pound per square inch and millimeter mercury is kilogram per meter per second square.
I'll give you one. Yes, Fahrenheit is Kelvin. The kilogram force is Newton. The bar, pound per square inch, and millimeter mercury are Pascal. Next set, 30 seconds. Akwamuman. 200 centimeter cubed of 0.30 mole per decimeter cubed NaHCO3 solution is partially neutralized with 100 centimeter cubed of 0.15 mole per decimeter cubed HCl solution. Calculate the concentration in mole per decimeter cubed of the NaHCO3 solution after the partial neutralization. Please give your answer to 3 places of decimal. It's your hand up, Raza. Go ahead.
9 times 10 power minus 3 mole per dm cube.
I'm not accepting that for a bonus. The right answer is 0.150 mole per decimeter cubed. New Juaben. 20 centimeter cubed of 0.12 mole per decimeter cubed Na2SO4 is diluted to 1 decimeter cubed. What is the concentration of sodium plus ions in the final solution? Femi.
Madam, it's 24 times 10 to the power negative 5 mole per dm cube.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Which of you? Kumiwa.
0.0048 mole per dm cube.
You are right. Your major question. 0.94 grams of a hydrated salt is dried in an oven at about 120 degrees Celsius until a constant mass of 0.49 grams is obtained. If the molar mass of the salt is 98 grams, how many molecules of water of crystallization are present in the hydrated salt? Atomic mass for oxygen is 16.0, and that for hydrogen is 1.0. Yes, Kumiwa.
3 molecules.
That's incorrect for a bonus. The right answer is 5 molecules. I hope you are actually doing the calculations there. Next set, 30 seconds with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. A circle has a radius r centimeters and an arc subtends an angle of measure theta radians at the center. Please, did you get your preamble? Good. Now, Akwamuman, find the area of the sector of the circle if r is equal to 10 centimeters and theta is equal to pi over 4 radians.
Madam,
Yes, Razak,
Madam, 25 pi centimeters squared.
that's incorrect. For a bonus. The right answer is 25 pi over 2 centimeters squared. You lost the over 2. All right, with the same preamble, New Juaben. Find the length of an arc of the circle of radius 15 centimeters and subtending an angle of 2 pi over 3 radians at the center. Which of you? Aston.
10 pi centimeters.
Yes. With the same preamble, find the angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 15 pi centimeters in a circle of radius 10 centimeters. Yes, Kumuwa.
270 degrees.
I'm not going to accept this. Yes, Akwamuman.
Madam, 3 pi over 2 radian.
Yes. All right. Akwamuman, your major question. 10 seconds. What are the respiratory pigments? Yes, Razak.
Madam, the respiratory pigments are pigments found in cells that are used in respiration. And then we have example of cytochrome. The cytochrome is a respiratory pigment, and then the chlorophyll.
I'm not going to accept this. And you need to speak clearly too, for a bonus. There are pigments, these respiratory pigments are molecules that are able to carry oxygen and other respiratory gases present in circulatory fluids. Slow down and speak clearly. It's very hard for me to understand you. New Juaben. What respiratory pigment is present in crustaceans and arachnids? Yes, Femi.
Hemocyanin.
You're right. What is the equivalent molecule of hemocyanin in humans? Yes, Setre.
Hemoglobin.
You're right. Last set of questions in this round, 30 seconds. Akwamuman, the common emitter current gain of a bipolar junction transistor is 10. Find the base current needed for a collector current of 100 milliamperes when the transistor is biased in the active mode. Is your hand up, Razak? Go ahead.
1 ampere. 1 ampere.
No, that's incorrect. Yes, Femi.
0.01 ampere.
Yes, you're right. Your major question. When a bipolar junction transistor is biased in the forward active mode, the collector current is 500 milliamperes when the base current is 5 milliamperes. What is the common emitter current gain of the transistor? Is your hand up, Femi? Femi?
Madam, the answer is 0.1.
That's incorrect. For bonus. The right answer is 100. Last question, Mfantsiman girls. The common emitter current gain of a bipolar junction transistor is 50. Find the base current needed for an emitter current of 102 milliamperes when the transistor is biased in the active mode. Yes, Kumiwa.
2.04 milliampere.
No, that's incorrect. Okay, I'll give that to you. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Akwamuman Senior High School has 4 points.
Start. Madam, if m is divisible by 5, then it is divisible by 10, and the converse is false.
Yes. It's not available. Next one, 30 seconds. Convert the number in base 12 to a decimal number, that is a number in base 10. And the number is 1TE. Yes. Justin.
275 base 10.
Yes. Next one, 30 seconds. A triangle has sides of length 6 centimeters. Describe and circle. Yes, Ruben.
5 centimeters.
Yes. Ten seconds for the next set of 3. Which product of glycolysis will enter the citric acid cycle? Yes, Razak.
Pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid.
Yes. What name is given to the visible difference between males and females of the same species? Yes, which of you? Razak.
The gonads.
Hey. The right answer is sexual dimorphism. Next one. What is the first step of the citric acid cycle? Which of you? Razak?
Madam, please, when the acetyl-CoA combines with the pyruvic acid entering into the cycle. Sure.
Which of you? Femi?
Madam, the acetyl group combines with coenzyme A to form acetyl-CoA.
No. It's the conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. All right. Next one. Actually, next one, 30 seconds. A flask of 1 decimeter cubed volume is filled with 3 moles each of SO2 gas and O2 gas, and the flask heated to 600 Kelvin until equilibrium is attained. The equation for the reaction is as follows: 2SO2 plus O2 going to 2SO3. If at equilibrium, 1 mole of SO3 is formed, what is the equilibrium constant, Kc, of the reaction? The right answer is 0.1 or 1.0 times 10 to the power negative 1. Now, following from that same question, calculate Kp of the reaction. You may take R to be 8.31 joule per mole Kelvin. Kc for the reaction, as we found out, is 0.1. You may leave your answer as a fraction. Yes, which of you? Femi.
Madam, it's 1/83.1.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 1/49,860. You forgot the temperature. All right. Last one for this set, 10 seconds. Which transition element is associated with one of the B vitamins? Yes, which of you? Femi?
Cobalt.
You're right. Last set of questions for the round. First question, 30 seconds. The radiology department of a hospital has a source containing 80 milligrams of technetium-99. How much technetium-99 does the source contain after 24 hours? Technetium-99 has a half-life of 6 hours. Yes, Kumiwa.
10 milligrams.
That's incorrect. Yes, Femi.
5 milligram.
You're right. Next question, 30 seconds. A low voltage heater operated with 6 volts across its terminals draws a current of 0.5 amperes. How much heat energy does it produce in 20 seconds? Yes, Justin.
60 joules.
You're right. Last question, 10 seconds. The contact angle between a solid and liquids A, B, C, and D are 0 degrees, 20 degrees, 120 degrees, and 130 degrees, respectively. Which of the liquids forms a concave meniscus in a tube made of the solid? Yes, which of you? Razak?
D.
That's incorrect. Yes, Kumiwa?
A.
I'm not accepting that. Go ahead, which of you?
Madam,
You didn't ring. You rang. You rang. Yes, go ahead, Justin.
C.
No. The thing with our bells these days is that everybody is looking. So it's very hard to hide the ringing. The right answer is A and B. And that brings us to the end of the second round. Points. New Juaben Senior High School has 29 points. Round 3. This round has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes in which to present an answer from your school. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Now, let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. We are only reading, not starting. Problem of the day. A 3-digit number is to be formed from the set of integers s, where s is equal to a set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Find the number of ways this can be done if 1. The 3 digits are all different. 2. Any digits may be repeated. 3. All digits are the same. 4. The number is greater than 600. And 5. The number is an odd number. Contestants, this is your problem of the day. You may now begin. Please stop writing and present your answers. Ready. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the board as you have them here. Thank you. No, put that on your table. No, I want that one. You take this one. Thank you. Thank you. The contestants have presented their answers. Before we award the marks, let's look at the suggested solution from our consultants. This is a problem in mathematics. We are going to make choices. So we are told that we are to form a 3-digit number from a set of integers. The elements go from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. And the question is to find the number of ways this can be done if certain conditions are present. So the first condition is that the 3 digits have to be all different. Okay, so how are we going to make the choices? When we first start, we have 9 options. So we take 9. When we want to choose the next one, which has to be a different one, we have 8 options left because we've already picked one. So that gives us 8. So 9 times 8. When we get to the third place, we have 7 left, so times 7. So the answer is 9 times 8 times 7, which is 72 times 7, and this is 504, 2 marks. The second condition is any digit may be repeated, so any of them. So you go back to your set. First choice of digits, all 9 are available. Next choice, all 9 are available. The third choice, all 9 are available. So it's 9 times 9 times 9, which is 81 times 9, which is 729. 2 points. The third condition, all the digits are the same. This time, things get very interesting because you have to think a little bit. So the first one, if the first one is 1, the second one has to be 1, the third one has to be 1 also, right? So there are actually 9 such numbers in that possibility. So you have 111, 222, 333, all the way to 999, right? So there are 9 of such numbers. So the number is 9. No need to be doing any complex calculations there. 2 points. Now, for the fourth condition, the number has to be greater than 600. Greater than 600. So we must start with at least 6 and then numbers that are bigger than 6, right? In order to get a number greater than 600. So that means for the first choice, the first digit, we are very restricted. We only have 6, 7, 8, and 9 left. That's 4 of them. So we only have 4 options, really. So that's 4. When it gets to the other digits, we can pick any of them. So it's 9 options we have for the second digit and another 9 options for the third digit. So we have 4 times 9 times 9. This is 81 times 4. This gives 324. 2 points. The last condition. The number has to be an odd number. Odd number. What makes a number odd is the last digit, isn't it? So the first 2 digits, we have options, all the options available to us, but when we get to the last one, we have to consider the odd numbers. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. That's 5 of them. So the answer will be 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 5. This is 81 times 5, 405, 2 points. This is a rather fun math problem of the day, isn't it? Good. All right, so now the contestants. Mfantsiman girls, you were able to do the first 3, the last 2 you couldn't. So that leaves you with 6 out of 10. Akwamuman, if it were straight calculations, you are on the path. But that one where you had to think through the thing a little bit more, that got you. And so you have 8 out of 10. New Juaben, this time you were on point. And I am very happy to award you a perfect score. Well done. On that happy note, we've come to the end of round 3. You may pick up your notepads. Before we begin the 4th round, I would like to remind you that the National Science and Math Quiz is produced by Primetime. We are sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary School. We have support also from TIGO, GOL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. Thank you, sponsors. Round 4. In this round, I'm going to be presenting you with statements. When you receive your statement, please consider the statement very carefully and let me know whether it's true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you lose a precious point. You may choose not to respond, in which case that statement becomes available to the 2 other schools. When a school rings and answers correctly, 2 full points. If the answer is incorrect, the penalty point is still present. Best wishes, everyone. I'm going to start with New Juaben this time, your statement. When a person is undergoing an electric shock, it is best to remove the person from the source of electricity by gently pushing the victim away. Yes, Justin?
False.
Yes, I hope so. Mfantsiman girls, a person undergoing an electric shock may lose voluntary muscular control and may not be able to respond to oral commands. Yes, Etre?
True.
Yes. Akwamuman, an electric shock victim is best removed from the source of electricity by interrupting the source of electricity when this can be done safely. Yes, Ruben.
False.
Oh, that's a true statement. Okay, those of you making all this noise, I hope you have learned something about electric shocks and what to do and what not to do. Pushing people gently away, no. Okay. All right, next set. New Juaben. Both prokaryotes and eukaryotes can have cell walls. Yes, Justin?
True.
Yes. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes have identical ribosomes. Yes, Kunwa?
It's false.
Yes. The usual method of prokaryote cell division is segmentation. Yes, Ruben?
False.
Yes. If a number is divisible by 9, the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Yes, Justin?
True.
Yes. If a number is divisible by 9, the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Yes, Kunwa?
True.
Yes. If the decimal number ABC is divisible by 9, the decimal number CBA is also divisible by 9. Yes, Ruben?
It's true.
Yes. While coal is a renewable resource, crude petroleum is not. Justin?
False.
Yes. H2S may occur in small amounts in natural gas. Kumiwa?
True.
Yes. The reforming unit in an oil refinery may convert heptane into methyl benzene. Ruben?
True. True.
Yes. Speak up. When a controlled amount of boron is introduced into silicon, a p-type semiconductor is formed. Justin?
False.
Oh, that's a true statement. When a controlled amount of aluminum is introduced into silicon, a p-type semiconductor is formed. Yes, Kumua?
False.
Ooh. That's a true statement. When a controlled amount of gallium is introduced into silicon, a p-type semiconductor is formed. Yes, Ruben?
True.
Yes. The next set comes with a preamble. Preamble to all schools. State whether the following statements are true or false with respect to co-evolution. That's the preamble. Now, New Juaben, domestic dogs that have been bred for certain phenotypic traits resulting in different breeds. Yes, Justin?
True.
No. With the same preamble, plants and insects that pollinate them. Yes, Secretary?
True.
Yes. Akwamuman, analogous structures such as fins that develop on species that are not closely related. Ruben?
True.
No, that's a false statement. New Juaben, the binary number 1101 base 2 is an even number when expressed as a decimal number. Yes, Femi?
False.
Yes. The binary number 101010 base 2 is divisible by 4 when expressed as a decimal number. Kumiwa? No, that's a false statement. Is her sound okay? It was very, very low.
True. True.
And it's still a false statement. All right, Akwamuman. The binary number 110000 base 2 is divisible by 8 when expressed as a decimal number. Yes, Ruben?
True.
Yes. Last set of statements. New Juaben. The atomic radius of aluminum is bigger than that of magnesium. Justin?
False.
Yes. Hydrogen is more electronegative than beryllium, but less electronegative than silicon. Kumiwa,
It's false.
you're right. Last statement, Akwamuman. In the third period of the periodic table, aluminium is a metal, silicon is a semi-metal, and phosphorus is a non-metal. Yes, Ruben?
True.
You are right. And that's the end of the fourth round. At the end of the fourth round, Akwamuman Senior High School has 28 points. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School has 31 points. New Juaben Senior High School has 49 points. Round 5, fifth and final round. In this round, I'm going to be reading out clues. Your objective is to solve the riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. On the second clue, 4 points. On the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. In order to solve a riddle, you need to ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Mfantsiman Girls? Thank you. Yours, New Juaben. Thank you. And yours, Akwamuman. Thank you. When you ring, the answer must be ready. There are 4 riddles. I may be a field or range of operation or influence. In entomology, I am one of the principal longitudinal veins in the anterior portion of the wing of an insect. In botany, I am a group of ray florets occurring in such plants as the daisy. In anatomy, I am the outer and slightly shorter of the 2 bones of the human forearm. Yes, Razak.
Radius. Radius.
Yes. They solved the riddle on the 4th clue, 3 points. Next one. Oh, I should tell you about the last clue. That's also interesting. In mathematics, I'm a line segment that joins the center of a sphere with any point on the surface. You see? Entomology, botany, anatomy, mathematics, all in one riddle. All right. I am a type of spectrum emitted by matter. I am also observed in absorption spectra. I am characterized by discreteness, because of which I can form series. For hydrogen. Yes, Femi.
Line spectrum.
You're right. I have started reading the fifth and final clue, 3 points. I am a transition metal. My familiar valencies are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I am a grayish-white metal. I hardly occur in nature in the uncombined state. Because of my very high melting point and low vapor pressure, I am used extensively. Yes, Femi.
Madam, chromium.
That's incorrect. I continue. Yes, Secretary.
Lead.
No. All for you, Akwamuman. I continue. I am used extensively as a filament in electric lamps.
Tungsten.
Okay, which of you? Razak.
Tungsten.
You're right. That was the fifth clue, 3 points. Last riddle. I am a transformation in the plane. I am always with respect to a fixed point or center. Yes, Ruben.
Rotation.
You're right. They solved the riddle on the second clue, 4 points. And that brings us to the end of the fifth round. At the end of the contest, here are the final scores. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School has 31 points. Akwamuman Senior High School has 38 points. New Juaben Senior High School has 52 points. Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School, unfortunately, this was not meant to be your year. Best wishes to you. Akwamuman Senior High School, you did your best, and that was a good thing with those riddles. But unfortunately, I have to say goodbye to you. All the best. New Juaben Senior High School. You promised me an excellent contest, and you delivered. Congratulations on winning the contest. Well done. Prepare, and I look forward to seeing you in the quarterfinals. Congratulations. Viewers, we've had a good contest. We are still at the 1A stage of competition. Next time, we'll bring you the 9th 1A stage contest, which is going to feature our reigning champions. At the Sadal College, we'll be here with Nkrofola Greg Senior High School and Suhum Senior High Technical School. Don't miss it. Before we leave, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math Quiz is produced by Primetime. We are sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We also have support from TIGO, GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, and GCB Bank. Thank you. Thank you again for joining us for this contest, and see you next time. Bye.